Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to MTS Ideas. So in today's video, I'll show you how to save an audio of Instagram Reel. Second, how to get a real copy of that audio in your gallery with link downloaded and without link. Third, how to use the saved audio from the reel. Number 4, how to select saved audio for a new video clip which we already have in our gallery. So first of all, we'll learn how to save any audio of Instagram reel. First of all, we'll open the reel from which we want to extract the audio. Click on the original audio line as you can see down below. After clicking on the audio line, click on save audio as you can see above. And as you click on save, this audio will be saved in your Instagram saved audios. Now let's see how to share the audio. First of all, open the reel whose audio you want to select and then click on the audio line below. After that, click on the share icon shown at the top right corner, and as you can see, you will be able to share this audio to any of your contacts in Instagram. Now friends, we'll know how to get the link of the audio for downloading the audio. Open the reel whose audio you want and click on the audio line below. After that, you'll be able to see three dots at the top right corner. Click on that and then you'll get the option of copy link. Once you copy this link, you'll be able to put this link in video downloader app and then this audio will get downloaded for you. Now friends, I'll show you how to save any Instagram audio in your phone's gallery without downloading the audio. But before that, you have to install this app named X Recorder in your phone. It is an amazing screen recorder for your phone. Link is in the description. You can install from there also. As usual, first of all, we'll open the reel and click on the audio line below. You can directly do screen recording from the reel video, but if you want to get the exact audio, you can click on the audio line below and then start the screen recording. As you can see friends that our audio is being screen recorded. Now we'll transfer the screen recorded video into an audio through an app named YouCut. Link is in the description. You can install it from there. Now we'll open YouCut and then click on new project and then select the video which you want to post on Instagram, and after that click on music icon. Over here click on extract audio. After that click on extract music from video. Over here we'll select the screen recorded video which we had just now recorded and then click on extract sound from the video. Over here click on use and then we'll be able to use the audio of the screen recorded video. Make sure that you lower down the volume of the video which is currently playing so that the audio of this video and the audio of the screen recorded video doesn't mix. Now friends, we'll see how to use the audio directly from the reel video. First of all, open the reel whose audio you want to take and then click on the audio line shown down below. Over here, click on the option use audio and then directly you can start making a reel video if you have a video in your gallery, or you can also directly make the reel video by clicking on this option. Over here, I have selected a video from my gallery. Now click on add and now select share. Now we'll see how to find and add our saved audio while posting a video from gallery if you don't know where that reel of that particular audio is. First of all, we'll open Instagram and click on the plus icon shown at the top right corner. Over here, we'll select the video from the gallery and then click on the arrow at the top. Over here, select reel and then press continue. After that, click on the music icon shown at the top and then select music shown down below. Over here, you'll be able to select all the trending audio of Instagram as well as your saved audios which you have saved them before. So if you want to add any saved audio in your current reel, you can select it from here. Also, you can save any of the trending audios from here itself. If you still don't get your audio, click on search music shown at the top and then write your audio name over there, and I hope you get your audio from there. And then as usual, go back and share your Instagram video. So friends, this was a very requested video. Hope you guys have understood well. If you have any doubts, you can ask them in the comment section. Also dear friends, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MTS Ideas. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.